Let's build this PVC drain. A quick note, the duct tape on top of the PVC is there to hold the lights, allowing us to see inside the pipe. So we dig the trench, we lay the fabric across the trench and pin it so that it stays down nice and tight in the trench. The next thing we do is we add a base of gravel. This is the most important part of this system, is the base of gravel. That allows that water to flood up into the pipe and the pipe will carry it away. When you're running PVC pipe for your French drain, you'll notice that there's holes on the bottom. Make sure these holes point down into that base of gravel. So we've got perforated pipe, holes point down into the trench. I've got my light set up. Can you see I got my battery? And the lights are set up inside. We're going to go ahead and cover this up with gravel. Now we cover the pipe with gravel. Fold the fabric back over the top and pin it. Finally, we will add the sod. Hey, this is Chuck with Apple Drains, reminding you that if you believe you can do something, I guarantee you can do it. Have a great day.
Hey everybody, Nash and Joe with the Tampa Drain Dudes.
We are incredibly excited to announce that we are now partnered with Apple Drains. And what that means is that we are going to be taking over all of their clientele in this Tampa Bay area, which also includes...
We're going to go as far north as Brooksville, we're going to go as far east as Lakeland, and south as South Tampa, St. Petersburg area. If the job is the right size and we really need to help our clients out, we'll go a little bit more north, a little bit more east, and a little bit more south, just depending on what you guys' needs are. Joe, you got anything to add?
We're going to cover all exterior drainage that you may need: French drains, sump pumps, channel drains, gutter downspout redirection, all that good stuff. So check us out, tampadraindudes.com. We are incredibly happy and thankful for this experience to partner with Chuck from Apple Drains. And we look forward to this relationship.
All right, guys, remember, Tampa Drain Dudes are simply smarter at diverting water. Y'all take